Recently, reports from parts of India mentioned child deaths possibly linked to a contaminated batch of cough syrup. Laboratory tests suggested the presence of a chemical called diethylene glycol, or DEG, a toxic compound that should never appear in medicines. Authorities have since recalled the suspected batches and temporarily banned sales in the affected states, pending further investigation. DEG poisoning can lead to kidney failure, especially in children. Even small amounts can be dangerous. This tragic event reminds us to use only prescribed medicines, buy from trusted pharmacies, and always check the batch and expiry date. This tragedy reminds us that drug safety matters. DEG contamination has caused deaths before, and it must never happen again. Let's turn awareness into action. Share this to help others stay safe. Science saves lives when we stay informed.